It's my... Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My born day.
It's our second wedding anniversary.
Wala na po ako sa kalendaryo. Napunta po kami ng Seattle.
We're going to Seattle downtown.
Downtown.
And we're going to eat. I made a reservation in Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. Ito kasing restaurant na to, dati, dito kami year-end ng company. Shout out!
Oops.
Dapat, magka-fogo de chow kami. Bam, kwento mo.
Dapat po nasa Orlando kami usually today.
Ay, sorry.
Pero, anyari. Walang piloto daw eh. Strike joke. Hindi siya pinayagan sa work niya, so eto muna kami, dito muna kami. Pero now we're planning next month, hopefully. Maui is waving. Di ba?
Yes. Happy second wedding anniversary, Bam Bam!
Happy second anniversary.
Oh, the Bam Bams!
Alam nyo guys, hindi namin din.
Sige po, may sasabihin ka.
Alam nyo guys, hindi. Dapat may anniversary rin ng channel natin. Pero hindi natin alam kung kailan tayo nag-umpisa ng YouTube.
2014, nung kinasal tayo ba?
2014?
Ay, 2024. Kasal na pala ako ng 2014. 2024 ba? Nung kinasal tayo. Di ba in-upload ko na nga kasi kagad yung kasal. Doon tayo nag-start mag-vlog.
Unang flight in Los Angeles, di ba? Anniversary rin yata natin. Ha? Kasi di ba Disneyland yun?
Grabe, sobrang traffic. Ayan ang downtown Seattle.
Hindi natin ma-vlog-vlog yung sarili natin. Mistake.
Ay, maganda Seattle pag di umuulan.
Go, Hops! Go, Hops! Go, Hops!
Tsaka sa Sabado may ano ba? Super Bowl na ba?
Di ba?
Ay, di ba pala?
Seahawks and San Francisco.
Last, first wedding anniversary namin, nag-celebrate kami sa Disneyland
Nanonood kami ng
ng LA. Di ba? Yun lang yung January 13 eh. Yung mismo January 13, 2025, nasa LA Disneyland kami. Ngayon, January 13, 2026, nasa Seattle downtown kami kumakain. May pasok kasi siya kaya dinner na kami nakakain. Work. Hello! Bam, ilang taon ka na? Naalala mo yung kumain tayo dito nila Tita Ging? Dito ba yun, Bam? Yung sa Thai? Sarap dito, no? Are you happy? Sobra.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready to order.
Happy anniversary, Baragabams. Thank you very much. So I got my appetizer, crab cakes,
Mine is super
then the
French onion.
almighty butter, and then yung soup niya.
Is soup of the day,
The
French onion,
almighty butter, and then yung soup niya.
Ang sarap na sa ibang crab cakes. I give it. Critics.
Hindi masarap.
Hindi daw masarap yung French onion. Ay, yung crab cake. Out of 10, ilan?
5.
Sabi ko. Pero same lang tayo ng rate. Ito 0, ito 5. Ito, Bob. Yung free. 10. Sarap.
Got my food, lobster, steak, ano pa yan? Steak din yun, with shrimp.
Yeah. And Brussels sprouts. Roasted. Bomb, ayun.
Itakmas.
Taste test, Bam Bam.
Iba pa.
Ilan po?
Yung steak nila is 7 out of 10.
Ay, yung lobster tail.
7.5.
Mine is extra away.
Okay.
My steak. 7 out of 10. Shrimp. My favorite shrimp. Kahit anong luto dyan, 10 out of 10 yan. Itong Brussels sprout, 3 out of 10.
So, nanalo po si Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah, Gordon Ramsay. Kasi naman, Michelin star yun. Hindi naman itong Michelin star. Michelin star ba yun? Hindi pa alam. Guys, so, alam ko na kung anong difference nila at bakit may ganyan sa table namin. It's because this one is for the anniversary and this one is for the birthday. Classic cheesecake for me.
Picture ako pa.
And this is the molten lava cake with candle and...
My poach. Sorry guys.
No more. Kaya ka na, Bam. Dali, i-taste test natin.
More to
Taste test. Bilis, Bam, Bam. Oh, ice cream ba yun? Normal? Yabang mo naman. Ilan po?
8 out of
8 out of 10. Mine is the classic cheesecake.
10. Poach.
9 out of 10.
Oh, laki. Ako nga 8 lang siya.
Patutin, Bam. We're back. Bam, rate the Roots Chris Steakhouse here in Seattle downtown. How would you like to rate? How would you like your steak, sir?
My steak?
Hindi, rate mo yung
lahat.
buong restaurant, yung buong food na kinain mo. And then,
food na kinain ko.
sige, food muna. Food
6.5.
review. 6.5 out of 10. Mine is, I guess the same. 6.5 out of 10 ako. And how about the service? The service is like 9 out of 10. Kasi mabilis eh. Unlike sa Gordon Ramsay, hindi siya mabilis masyado. Tama ba?